Hey all my dear students, right now I'm here with three questions and these three questions are from chemistry. Before I start this video, let me tell you first of all who is your Baba H.S.P. I will take just 3 or 4 seconds. I have done my M.Tech in 2004, MSc gold medalist in 1999, JRF Gate, then M.Tech, and I have been teaching for the last 27 years and these are the toppers. AIR1, Tanishka Yadav, Mehak Arora, AIMS, 3rd rank, All India, Chaitanya Mittal, AIMS, 4th rank, and Suyash Arora, Mehak Arora's brother, AIR 5 with 715 marks. Now, let me start, kids. This is the question. This is very easy question. I will not say it's tough question. It's an easy question. And I would like to say it's very easy question, very easy. They are asking about acetate. So answer simply is acetate. But I would like to say it's a bonus question and everyone should get full marks. Everyone. Whether you have attempted this question or not attempted this question. Whether you have gone for the right answer or you have gone for the wrong answer. My dear students, let me tell you why. You see, acetate, this we are studying from 9th standard. We know, but my dear students, see what's the problem. This is the syllabus provided by NTA. These are the acid radicals: carbonate, sulfide, sulfate, nitrate, nitrite, chloride, bromide, iodide, and in anions, they could have written acetate in the syllabus, but it's missing. You see, it's missing. It's not given in the syllabus. मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, अगर ये syllabus में नहीं दिया है तो why you have given this question? It's a mistake. भारी mistake हो गया भाई, भारी mistake from the NTA side. So it's humble request to the NTA, either to you could have written acetate over here, and if you are not given acetate, then why you have provided this syllabus? What is the meaning of the syllabus? So first question should go bonus to each and every one, whether that student has marked it or not, because it is totally out of syllabus. Out of syllabus. First question. Now let me come to the second question. The whole world is waiting for this question. Now my dear students, see, this question is this one. You know, select the reagents that reduce nitrile to primary amines. Nitrile to primary amine, that means RCN is converting into R, C and N, and 2 hydrogens over here and 2 hydrogens over there. Right, my dear students? Total 4 hydrogens we have to add. Now what's the problem? See, LiLH4 everyone knows. LiLH4 and water. Better they could have used dry ether, because with LiLH4 water, okay, they have used, no problem. I will come to the tin HCl, right? H2 nickel everyone knows, and sodium amalgam, this is Mende's reduction, this also we know. Now the whole masala is of tin and HCl. My dear students, definitely ACD is the correct answer. Definitely this is the correct answer. But cyanide on reaction with tin and HCl, definitely cyanide will react with tin to produce SnCl2 and nascent hydrogen. My dear students, they see what it is going to do. Tin lies above hydrogen in the electrochemical series, above hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Why I'm talking like this? If you know the electrochemical series, the elements which are placed above hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Let me show you first the electrochemical series. Those who don't know what is electrochemical series, this is given in your NCERT. You can see this is your electrochemical series. And NCERT writes that any element which is better reducing agent than hydrogen, that means hydrogen's SRP and SOP is 0. Any element which is having its SOP value to be the positive, that can displace hydrogen from the acid. Now you see, where is your tin? See, my dear students, tin is lying over here. You see, your tin is placed at this place. Can you see? This is your tin. And this, you see the oxidation. Oxidation will be positive because they have written what? SRP value. Sn2 plus 2 electron gives tin. SRP value of Sn2 plus is negative. That means Sn2 plus, the SOP value will be exactly plus 0.14. That means this element is having ability to produce nascent hydrogens when it reacts with any acid. Are you getting my point? Yeah. एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि that if you see the electrochemical series, if I talk about the electrochemical series, then it starts from lithium, potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, like this. That tin is very close to hydrogen. This tin is very close to hydrogen. That means its yield, it will convert cyanide into primary amine, but the yield is 60%. Definitely it will convert your cyanide RCN to RCH2 NH2, but this yield is 60% only. But they haven't talked about the yield. Yield के बारे में कोई बात नहीं की examiner ने. First let me prove this, then I will talk about rest of the things. Just see the proof. If I talk about C, reagent activation, tin plus twice of HCl gives SnCl2 plus 2 hydrogen. Is it visible to all of you? Is it visible? Tin plus HCl gives SnCl2 nascent hydrogen. Now RCN will react with this hydrogen and blah blah blah. It will come to RCH2 NH2. So overall net reaction is RCN4 nascent hydrogen gives RCH2 NH2. Now I will give the proof from American Journals of Chemical Society. American Journals of Chemical Society, they have given like this. See, American Journals of Chemical Society. Okay, just wait, just give me a second, kids. See, they have written that transition metals, any transition metals they are using, so yield is very good. If transition metals you are using, the yield is very good. RCN, iron, copper, nickel, palladium, cobalt, ruthenium, they are giving RCH2NH2. So my dear students, if you are using tin, the yield will be less because that is also metal. Are you getting my point? So if they are giving this reaction, then tin will also give. Now let me give you one more proof. Just wait for a second. You see this reaction. This is also I have taken from American Journals of the same Chemical Society, and what they are writing, RCN HX, molybdenum, cobalt, magnesium, aluminium. Aluminium is from P block. Why I am giving this source? Because tin is from P block. This aluminium is also from P block. You can see, and this is producing RCH2 and X2, and you see RCN, ruthenium, rhodium, iridium, iron, cobalt, etc. What they have used. Why they have used? Because tin gives only 60% yield, right? So what was the question? The question was saying, and see one more thing, when HCl reacts, this I have taken from the P block elements. Why they have given P block when P block reactions, they are not in syllabus? Why they have gone into that much of depth? Why they are giving such type of question? That is one more question mark. But this I have taken from the P block 199 page in my NCERT. When HCl reacts with finely powdered iron, it forms ferrous chloride and not ferric chloride. So Fe plus HCl gives FeCl2 and H2, and Fe was in the electrochemical series nearest to the tin. Let me show you once again the electrochemical series. Where is Fe? This is your Fe, this is your Fe kits, this is your Fe iron, and this is tin, and this is nickel. Once you are using Raney nickel aluminum powder or catalytic hydrogenation of alkenes or alkynes, then also you are using nickel, palladium, platinum, because they are giving good yield. So why not tin? It's simple, very simple question. So examiner should have given this to be the answer also. This is also the correct answer, that tin HCl, because they haven't used water. In the NCERT, Stephen's reduction is given that RCN plus SnCl2 gives amine, and then on a hydrolysis giving aldehyde. But here hydrolysis word is not used. Once no water is used, from where the oxygen will come? Examiner ने यही सोचा होगा definitely that it is given in NCERT and this will give aldehyde, but there hydrolysis also taking place, but you haven't used water in this case, you have used water there. If this water would have used over here, अगर उन्होंने पानी यहाँ यूज किया होता तो ये एल्डिहाइड देता और स्टीफेंस रिडक्शन होता है इन ये मेंडिस, तो डेफिनेटली होता है, it happens. While framing out questions, we are not giving that much of importance, or we are simply thinking what is going in our brain, that is like that. But this is clear cut answer. So A, B, C is also declared to be the correct answer, because A, B, C, D, the actually options should have been given like A, B, C and D, but they haven't given such type of answers. So this is also the correct answer, because you haven't asked about the percentage of yield. If they have written the reagents that reduce nitrite to primary amine in good yield, if they have used this word in good yield, then definitely good yield means good percentage, then this will be more appropriate, or this must be declared as the correct answer, because this is going to give good yield. But here both are the correct answer. But NTA, I don't know, it's a humble request to NTA, because NTA will say this is only the correct answer. So 2 questions you got. Now third question, so you know very well this question. This question, so you know very well, both are the correct answer. Now here also examiner has shown the smartness, but while showing that smartness, that examiner has forgotten one point. You have taken this question directly from the NCERT, but in NCERT what is written? It neither reduces tolerance nor phalanx reagent. अगर आपने ये क्वेश्चन यहीं से लेना था तो you could have mentioned that it neither reduces tolerance or phalanx reagent. तब भी क्या होता? If you would have used it neither reduces tolerance or phalanx. So benzaldehyde reduces tolerance reagent. तो benzaldehyde वाला second option cut हो जाता, क्योंकि benzaldehyde reacts with the tolerance reagent. So in the NCERT, for making that safety, see the smartness of NCERT, I would like to say NCERT is 100% correct. Some people are saying they have taken this question from the NCERT. अरे भाई NCERT में लिखा है it neither reduces tolerance or phalanx reagent. Tolerance reagent reacts with both aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehydes. Phalanx only reacts with aliphatic aldehydes, not the aromatic aldehyde, but they have written clearly in this question it neither reduces tolerance or phalanx reagent. So definitely this ketone is the answer. NCERT में भी गलती है, बताऊं क्या? NCERT is writing, it does not decolorise bromine water. Arey bhaiya, it will decolorise because it is having alpha hydrogen, it will tautomerize. And while doing tautomerization, it will convert into this. So NCERT is not perfectly right. And this is having unsaturation, it will decolorize. Even NCERT is not right. But benzaldehyde is not having alpha hydrogen, that will never decolorize bromine water. So more appropriate answer is definitely the third one. Everyone is saying that only second is the correct answer. Why? This is the more appropriate answer. And it is having 2COH. Let me tell you the benzoic acid. Let me tell you why it is more appropriate. Benzoic acid pKa value is 4.20, and this is tryptalic acid. This is tryptalic acid, and its pKa value is, you can check, it will release 2 hydrogens. The first hydrogen will go and its pKa value is 3.6, and second will go, it will come something 4.2 something. So this is more acidic and it will release carbon dioxide more easily. It will give more appropriately the sodium bicarbonate test. So this is more appropriate answer, my dear students. And I have shown you, some people were saying that CH3 is there, CHO is there, side chain oxidation will not take place. And I have shown it from foreign writer books. You see Morrison Biot, those who are saying that electron withdrawing group is there, so no side chain oxidation. See, this is Morrison Biot, the god of organic chemistry book. And it is having electron withdrawing group and it is showing side chain oxidation. Right, my dear students? So these are the 3 questions and these are the proofs. You can challenge all these questions. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best, kids. Any help you want from Baba H.S.P side, I'm always ready. I'm with you. I'm the student's power. I'm working for all the students. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.